251.
The Oliver's treated you better, Jerry.
All right there, you betcha. Keep the Oliver faith. Get there, right there. How many dollars got there? 2556. 2556 on the Oliver Baler. Wire tie. Works good. $2,000 on her. $2,000. Bail with her last month. $2.5. $500. I'm at 2.5. 5.
Watch the field behind the plow. Turn 2 straight dark rows. Feel the trickle in your clothes. Blow the dust cakes from your nose. Hear the tractor's steady roar. No, you can't stop now. With a quarter section more or less to go.
Oliver 330 3-point disc right here, 9-footer. I like her right here. 2.5, 3, 4. I'm at 400 now. Oliver, 3 now 4. I'm at 300 now 4, 5, 600. I'm at 600 now 500 now 600 now 7, 8, 8, 9, 900 now 900 now 1,000 now 1,000 now 11, 99, 12, 13, 13, $1,500, $1,600, 16, 17, 15, 16, 1, 15, 16, 15, I'm way to the back, 15, 16, I get 15, 16, do you want another hand? All done, but about here, I get a baby to get down, sold it, 1,500, you bought it way down the hill, 1,500, what's your number, buddy? 128, an Oliver Rake, 2570, lot number there, 2.5, 5, 15, now 5, now 5, 5, now 2, 15, now 5, 5, now 5, 5, now 5, 3, 4 here, now 5, 5, now 5, now 5, now 5, 5, now 4, 5, I'm at 400, now 5, now 5, 5, now 5, 5, now 400, now 500, now 5, now 400, now 50, I'm at 4, 4.5, want to get 4.5, now 5, now 5, now 5, 5, now 4.5, 5, 5, now 5, now 4.5, 5, make it 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 500, 4.5, want to get 5, 5, sold it, 450, 74 the buyer, 74, do it again now, got another one a little better here.
Hey, you like that one better.
Oh, I'm sorry, 400, now 500, now 500, now 500, 400, 500, 600, 6, now 7, 700, now 700, Roy, 700, now 700, 700, now 600, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 8, now 800, now 8, 800, now 700, now 8, 800, now 8, 800, now 700, now 800, I'm at 700, now 8, 800, now 8, 800, now 700, now figure out 800, now 8, sold it to Roy, 700 on 121. Thank you, Roy. 121. 103, 103. Got another Oliver Rake right there. 102, 3, 4. It's a 207, 304. Now 400, now 300, now 4. I'm at 400, now 4, 5, 5. Get a minute here, not get a baby to get 500, now 4, 5. I'm at 400, now 500, now 5, 600, now 700, now 700, now 7, 7, baby, 8, 8, 8, now 800, now 700, now 800, 800, now 800, now 700, now 900, now 900, now 800, now half. I'm at 8, 8 and a half. I'm at 800 now, 800. He's in. I got 800 now, 800. Where were you?
I 7.5.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now 8, $800 now, 8, 7.5, 8. Sold it to Urban. 750, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, now come to the sale here. Kind of one of my favorite pieces of the day. 2509 the Oliver Flare Box Wagon on the 1610 running gear with the hoist. All works good, guys. 500 right here. 500, 600. I'm at 500 now, 600 now, 700. And now 700 now, 800 now, 900. I'm at 900 now, 900 now, 1,000 now, 11 now, 12, 700 now, 12, 700 now, 13, 14, 100 now, 1400 now, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 100 now, 17, 18, 19, 2, 21, 100 now, 2, 2 now, 20, 3, 3, 4, 400 now, 24, and 500 now, 600 now, 500 now, 20, 600 now, 600 now, 27, 26, and 7 now. 27, 27, 27, 27, $700 half, sold it, $2,600, you bought it, sir. 146, 146. Now another good Oliver Baler, wire tie.
Didn't want to have a tie.
That's 620, guys. All right. Never bail with it, guys. We've never tried to use it.
That'd be the kind I want.
Not worn very well. You bet.
That'd be the kind kind I'd want.
Wouldn't take Jerry very long to get it going, he said. All right, right there. You're not going to move the pound dollar, 12 and a half. It's pound and a half, 500, 600. It's 500, 600, 500, 600, 500, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, yes, sir. That's all right. We got the other tine and net in the shop. It'll go right with it, guys, like brand new needles. 700, 800, 800, no, I'm 600 with the internet. You got to be 700, guys, on the ground here. 700, 600, 700, all done. It's 600, 700, sold it online, $600 on 6969. Tyler Nelson, thank you. Roll up here. 118, thank you. Oliver Disc now. Got an Oliver Disc
Hey,
here.
500.
All right, I'm 500, 600. I'm at 500. What's the lot number here?
2584.
2584.
600. Yep.
600. It's 7 now, 800 now, 8 now, 9, 900 now, 9, 900 now, 900 800 now, 9, 900 now, 900 now, 800 now, 900 now, 900 now, 800 now, 9, 900 now, 800 now, 9, 900 now, 900 now, 800 now, 900 now, 9 half, sold it 800, sold it 800.
223.
Big Gary, 223 on an order. All
Hey,
right,
100.
25, 73, $100 now, 2, 100 now, 2, 2, 100 now, 100 now, 2, 19, 100 now, 100 now, 2, 19, 100 now, 100 now, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 400 it works, and now 500 now, 5, 5, man, 5, 400 now, 500 now, 5, 5, now 600, I'm at 500 now, 600 now, 600, young man, yeah, 5, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, help you, 5 now, 600, sir, 600, $600 now, 550 now, 600 now, 600 now, 5 and a half, 600, sir, you're out.
Junior, you're out.
You got to be 600. Now a half. 6 and a half. 650. I'm at $600 and a half. I'm at $600 now. 15 and a half. $600 and a half. $600 now. 50, 50 here and 50 there and 15 and a half. $600 and a half. Sold it. 600. Junior gets your on 254. 254. Hey guys, this thing runs the best. I took a video on my phone there the other day. Had it running. Runs quiet. Runs good.
Hey,
Sunday
250.
Causey. 500, 2 and a half, 5. I down 500 now, 5, 500 now, 2 and a half, 500. 500 now, 500 now, 2 and a half, now 500 now, 500 now, 500. He says he's got corn pickers to the deluxe. 4 down, 5. At 500 now, 5, 500 now, 400 now, 5, 500 now, 500 now, 3, 4. 300 now, 4. I'm at 300 now, 4. 400 now, 300 now, 400 now, 4 now, 5. 500 now, 500 now, 5. A little wrong here, boys. 4, 5. Here we go, though. I get 4 now, 500 now, 5, 500 now, 4, 5. I'm at 400 now, 5, 500 now, 500 now, 5, 500 now, 400 now, 500 now, 5. Sold it $400 the same way. 254. 254 to Plow time.
100.
100, 200, I got 100 down 2, 100 down 2, 200 down
25, 67.
61, I 29, I get 100 down 2, 100 down 2, 200 down 2, 100 down 3, 200 down 3, 300 down 200 down 3, 300, I 200 down 3, 4, I'm at 3 now, 4, Joe now, 4, 400 down 3, 4, I'm at 3, big 400 down 300 down 4, 400 down 300 down 4, 400 down 3, 4, I'm at 300 down 400 down 3 and a half, 3, 3 and a half, you want to get 350. I 3, 3 and a half, all done. Give it 15 and a half, 3 and a half. I sold it $300. 246 is the buyer. 251.
The Oliver's treated you better, Jerry.
All right, right there. You betcha. Keep the Oliver faith. Get there, right there. How many dollars got there? 2556. 2556 on the Oliver Baler. You bet. Wire tie. Works good. $2,000 on her.
250.
They over their last month. 2 and a half. $500. I'm at 2 and a half. 5. Yeah, 5. I'm down 2, 15 and a half. 5 and a half. 7 and a half. Yeah, 7 and a half. Now 5 and a half. 5 and a half. 5 and a half. Now 15. 15. Now 15. 17 and a half. Now 2. Now 2,000. Now 2. 22. 15. Now 5. Now 25. Now 7 and a half. Now 3. Now 3,000. Now 2 and a half. Now 5. 35. Now 5. 7 and a half. 4. 4 now 2 and a half. Now 5. 45. Now 5. 7 and a half. 45, 7 and a half, 5,000, 2.5. I'm at 5,000 down 2, you're not going to be able to get 51. I'm at 5,000. No, I'm right there with Jeff Lucchese, 5,000, 51, 50. Where are you going to find one? Just tell me that, guys. If you want an Oliver Square baler, we've got more of them right here today, I dare say, than you'll find anywhere. 551. Good baler makes a good bale. I 55100. I'm at 551. I have sold it 5,000. You bought her 103. Thank you, sir. 103 the buyer there. Now Sickle mower. All right, and Oliver 430 snow. This is offline, girl. All right, so little Sycamore there.
25.
25, now 50. 25 and now 50. 25 and now 50. We're offline. 25, 15 and now 50. 25 and now 15 and now 75. 15 and now 75 and now 70. Has that got a tag on it anywhere, boys? 15 and now 75. 75 and now 75 and now 75 and now the sheet might have ate it off. I don't know. 15 and now 75 and now 75. 25, 58. 25, 58. 25, 50. We're online. $25, $50 bill. 15 now 75. I now 100. 100 and a quarter. 100 and a quarter. Now quarter. Now 25. If 125. You're not going to be able to get 25. Now 100. Now 25. Now 25. 100 and a quarter. Now 25. Now 125. Sold it. 100. You bought it. 139. Now we're going to sell the 438 and the 437 for parts. You get it all, one money. 2583 lot number right here, Oliver, all the way. All right, $1,000 bill, $7.5 pound dollar. I'm at 750, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $12.5. $1,000, $12.5. I get $1,000, $12.5, 11 now, 12, 13. I'm at $1,200 now, 13, now 13, 14. I get 13, 1,400. You're not going to be able to get $1,400 now, 13, 14, 1,300, 1,400. I'm 13. You've used it, haven't you, Jerry? I get 13, 14. I get 13, 14. I get 15, 15, I get a 14, 13, 14, $1,300 now, $1,400 now, $1,400 now, $1,400 now, 13, 14, 13, $1,400 now, $1,400, $1,400, you're not going to be able to get 14, do you want them now, 14, sold it online, 1,300, 6, 8, 7, 6, thank you. All right, little Oliver drill right there. $100 right there, 2.5, 500. 250 now, 5. I need a lot number here. We got it. 250 now, 5.
2567.
2567. I can buy it now 4. I can make it 3, 4. I'm at $300 now, $400 now, 4. Oliver. I'm at $300 now, $400 now, $400 now, $300 now, 4. I'm at $300 now, $400. You're not going to be able to get $400 now, 3, 4, 4 now, 4. I'm at $300 now, $400. You're not going to be able to get $400 now. 3. It'll go to the field, boys. $300 a 4 and $400 a 4. $400 a 300 a 400 You're not going to be able to get $400 a 3, 4, 5. And now $500 a 500 a 4, 5. That's all right. I get $400 a $500. You're not going to be able to get $500 a 4, 5. $400 a $500 a $500 a $500 a 5, 5, 4 and a half, 4. Sold it. $400. 251, 251. It's an Oliver Plow. It's a Rooster comb. Rooster comb. $100 now 2. 100 now 2. 200 now 100. 2 now 2, 100 now 2, 100 now 2, 100 now 2, 150 now 2, now 50, I'm at 2, 50 now 2, $100 now half, you're not going to be able to get $50 now 200 now half. Show them what the Rooster comes about, Charles. It's on this side. 200, 250, there you go. $200 now half, you're not going to be able to get $200 now 50 now 2. Colton, did you know that? I get $200 now half. I'm at $200 now 2. Now your education is now complete, Colton. 200, 250, I'm 2, 2.5. I'm at $200 now, $50 now, $200 now half. You're not going to be able to get $200 now, $15 now, $250 on my Jeff, $200, $250, sold it, $200 on it, 200. Now an Oliver Plow, $100 now, 2, 100 now, 2, 100 now, 2, 100 now, 2, I'm the 100 now, 2, 100 now, 100 now, 15 now, 1 half, 100 half now, 2 now, 50, 2 now, 2, 50 now, 2, 50, 2 and a half, 3 now, 3 now, 3, Matt now, 3, 2, 3 now, 3, 75 now, 3, 275 now, 3, $300 now, 3, now a quarter, I'm at 3 and a quarter, I'm at $325, 320, my money's right there, 300, 3 and a quarter, 325, now 25, now 325, each one of them, 25, now 325, $325, sold it, $300, you bought it, 300, buyer, 243, 243.
100, go again.
$100 bill, 200, I got $100 now 2, each 1 and 2, $100 now 2, now 50, $100 and a half, I got $100 now, 15 now 1, Rooster comb, $100 and a half, you got the original Clevis, $100 and a half, 2, 150 now 2, $200 now 2, I now $200, you're not I get a baby to get two now 50. I get 200 on it now 50. Were you there? Now 50 now 3. Now 3. I see now. I get 275. I 250 now 75. 75. 250 now 75. Now 75. Now 250 now 75. Now 75. Now 250 275. Sold it 250. 306. Guys, how many of these have you ever seen?
Jerry, you got the only one in the country, ain't you?
How many of these have you ever seen, guys? 306 grinder baxter with an ear corn table on it, guys. You bet you guys.
Jerry, did you ever see another one?
Yeah,
Did you?
I bid on one time.
At Centray, Missouri. That's right. All right, right there. How many dollars on my grinder mixer? I want $5,000
Hey,
order.
500.
Pound 500, 750, pound dollar bill, pound and a half, 12 and a half, 15, 17 and a half, now 2, 22 and a half, 5, 7 and a half, 3, 3,000 and now 3, I 27 and a half, 3, I 20, she's in 25, 27 and a half, I get 20, you're out over here, 25, 27 and a half, I'm at 25, and now 27 and a half, 50, I'm at 25, and now 27 and a half, now 3, I now 3,000, now she's in, 27 and a half, leave her alone, Jeff, get your own lady, I get 27 and a half, 3, I 3,000 and now 3, now 3,000, I 27 and a half, 3,000 and now 3, but give me 2,800, I 28, and now 800 and now 28, and now 800 and now 2,800, I 2750 now 800 and now 800 and now 2,800 and now 8, I have all unlimited, and I get a baby to get 2,800. Be nice to your collection. 2,800 on now 800 and now 2,800 on now 8. Sold it. 2,750. Is that 248? Thank you. 248. Good job. I tell you, you gotta love it, don't you?
I tell you, these people down here in Marys County are the best.
249. They are the best. They are the best right here. All right there, guys. 2543 is a plow.
250.
I'm out, Cole.
25 acres of use, guys, they say. 250, 300, 2.5, 3, 300. Now, where's John Lewis? I 2.5, 3, 300 now, 250 now, 3 now, 3 1/2. I'm at 3.5, 4, 400 now, 2.5, 5 1/2, 600 on it, I'm now 7, I now 700 now, 600 now, I got 650 bids, 700 from the net, 700. I now 700 now, 700 now, 700 now, 700 now, 700 now, 15 now, 8, 800 now, 8, 800 now, 8 now, 15 now, 9, 9, 950. I'm at 900 now, 15 now, 15 now, 1,000. $1,000 $1,000. It's $1,000 $9.5. I got the internet. $9,500. I'm at $950 $1,000 at $1,000 $1,000. There we go. I'm at $950 $1,000. Sold it $950. Goes to Shelbina, Missouri 6960. Thank you. All right, 2546, you betcha. 250, 300. 250 now, 3, 300 now, 250 now, 300 now, 250 now, 300 now, 300 now, 450 now, 400 now, I'm at 4 now, 50. I'm at 400 now, 15 now, 5 now, 500 now, 5, give me 475. 4 and a half, here's the 5, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, it's 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, $15 Joe, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 515. He must have got back online. 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 5 and a half, Joe, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half. Here we go. 515 and a half, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half. I have sold it. 5 and a quarter on the Baler. Buyer 232, 232. 3.2 bottom Oliver.
Hey, 50.
50, $75. 50 now, $100 bill. 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half, 100 and a half. 75 and a now, 2 now, 2 now, quarter, 7 now, 75 and a now, 3, 300 on a now, quarter. I'm at 3 now, quarter. I'm at 3, 3 and a quarter now, half. It's 350 and a now, 3. No, we're on the 2 bottom plow. 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 350 and a half, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, all done. You're done 15 and a half, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, 325, 50, 325 and a down, 15 and a down, 350. I have sold it. Jeff's way, 3 and a quarter. Come on, guys.
57.
57. I was there long enough for the cow to calve and get up and nurse. All right. 57, is that right?
Yep.
Yes, they were here early. They were the first people to register this morning. 2520. Here's a good baler, isn't it?
Yeah, $1,000.
Bale with it all summer, boys. Twine tie. Twine tie, right?
Yeah.
All right there. $1,000, $1,500. You $1,000 now, $1,500 now, $225. I 2 now, $2,500. I'm at 25 now, 3 now, $3,000 now, 3 now, $3,000 now. You're not going to get 27 and a half. I'm at 25 now, 27 and a half, 15 and a half, 25 now, 27 and a half. All of them are 3. I now 3,000 now, 3 now, 3 now, 3,000 now, 3 now, 3 Roy. I now 3 now, 3,000 now, 3 now, 3,000 now, 3 now, 3,000. I'm trying to 3 now, 3 now, 3 now, 2 and a half. I get 3,000 now, 32 and a half. I'm at 3,000 now, 2 and a half. I'm at 3,000 down 2 and a half. Get one. I'm 31. Down 31. 3100. 31 2. 32 to 2. 2 2 down 3200 down 2. 33 4. I'm 33 34. 34. Get between them now. Don't let them communicate. 33 34. 34. 100 down 34. 100 down 4 and 4. 100 down 3400. You're not going to get 34. 33. 100 down 4. 100 down 4 and 4. 100 down 34. 100 down 4 and 4. 100 down 34. 400 down 4 5 5. 100 down 35. 100 down 5 600. I'm 35. 100 down 30 600. 35. 100 down 600 down 500 down 600 down 35. 100 down 600. We appreciate you guys been a good hand today. 35 600. Hold up. $3600. $600 now $600 all done. Sold it $3,500. 1 2 1 121. All right, Oliver Pipe Plow now. Here we go. $100 bill, 2, 100 down 2. If 1, 100 down 2, no 2, 100 down 2, no 2, 100 down 1, 150. If 1, 150, 100 down half. I'm at 1, 150. What's the score of the game yet? No, 100, 100 and a half. 100 and a half now, 2, 2 now 50. I'm at 2, 2, 50. 2 now, no score. I got $200 and a half. I now 3, I 3, 3 now 3, sir. But I'm 3 and a half. It's 3, 3 and a half. I'm at 3, 350. I'm $300 now, 15 minutes now, $300 and a half. But you're not going to be able to get $300 and a half. Well, 350 now, 4. I now $400 now, 4, 4. You're not going to be able to get $400. 4 now, half. I'm at 4 now, 50. At 4, 4 and a half. Do you want them over the baby? 15 and a half, 4, 4 and a half. All done. Here we come. At $400 now, 15 and a half, 15 and a half, 4 and a half. I have sold it 400. Live in the ring, 400. 313, thank you. All right, right there. I paid Jerry Wellsmeyer, never left nothing alone. It was Oliver. He bought it all right here to Marys County. $50 now, 75. $15 now, 75. $75 on the planter. $15 now, 75. $75 now, $100 now, quarter. 1 a quarter, 1 a quarter, 125. If $100, Roger. 100 and a quarter, now half. 100 and a half here now. $15 now, 150, 100. That's him. 100 a quarter, leading there. 150, 150 now, 1 a quarter, 1 and a half now, half. 150. So it's Roger, 100 and a quarter.
That's you,
What's
Roger.
your number, Roger?
103.
103, 103 there. All right.
42, 42.
Hey, right there, 3 points, $100 bill, 100 and a half. $100 down, 150. If 1, 150. 100 now, 15 down, 1, 1 and a half. 100 down, half, 2, 2 down, 2, 100 down, 2, 2, 100 down, 2 down, 15 down, 2, 250. I'm at $200 and a half. Give a quarter. I 2 down, 25. I $200 down, 25. 20, but $100 down, half. Now half. I 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half here, 50. I 200 down, 15 down, half, 75. I'm at 250. 275, sir, now 75, and now 250, now 75, 250, now 75, now 3, I now $300, now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, now $300, now 75, now 3, 275, now 3, $300, 3, now $300, now 3, now quarter, I'm at $300, now 25, and now 325, I'm at $300, now 25, and now 325, and now 3, 325, sold at $300, right there, Brian's way, 300. Good dig, 74, 70, 73, thank you, partner, 73. All right, here we go with Oliver 50. All right, right there, here we go. An Oliver 50. There's an old dude. Late 50s, mid to late 50s now. Good Baler, isn't it? Very, yes, sir. Sprockets aren't worn much. You bet. Somebody give me $1,000. $1,000 $500, 600. Yeah, $500 $600. I'm at $500 $600 $500 $600 $500 $600. Yeah, $500 $600 $500 $600. Yeah, $500 $600 $600 $500 $600. You're not going to get $500 $600. Yeah, $500 $600 $600. 200, 300, $200 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5.
You gotta quit moving. I got 3.
Right there. 4, 3, 4. You're 3, sir. Yes, sir. 400, 300, 400.
I know.
Don't even look at him, Jeff. Don't even look at him. 400. 3 now, 4. I now 4. 100 now, 300 now, 4. 400 now, 300 now, 4 and 400 now, 300 now, 4. If 400 now, 4 and 400 now, 300 now, 4. 400 now, 400 now. Say ouch. I get 300 now, 4. 400 now, 400. Sold it 300. You bought it on 74. The buyer 74. Oliver Pipe Plow right there. 100 now 2. I'm at 1. 100 now 2. 200 now 2. 200 now 2. 100 now 2. And 100 now 2. 200 now half. I got 1. 150. I'm at 150. 100 now, 15 now, 1, 1 and a half on 100 now, half. I'm 100 now, 15 now, 1, 100 now, 1 and a half. You want to get 15 now, 1, 1 and a half. 100 now, 50. I get 1, 1 and a half on 15 now, 100 and a quarter. Somebody. Now 2. Now 2. 100 and a half, 2. Down 2. 100 and a half. Charlie down 2. 2 to get a little bit here. Now 2 to get even. 1 and a half. 1 and a half. Now 2 to get even. 1 and a half. 2 and a half. Sold it. 100 and a half. 69.60 is the buyer. 6960. Got a little bush hog, boys. Oliver. 5 foot pull tight. All right, 500 and 600. Yeah, 500 and 600 and 500 and 600 and 500 and 600 and 600 and 700 and 700 and 600 and 700 and here I get it. Here now 800 and 700 and 800. 800 and 9. 900 and 72. I get 800 and 9. 900 and 9 to get 900 and 9. 1,000 and 12. 20 but 12. 1,000 and 1,000 and 1,000 and $1,000. 1,000 and 11. 10. 11. 11. 11. 12. 500 and 12. 12. 12. 12. 12. 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, 13, yes, sir.
You have just these two guys on.
Where you at, Jeff?
I'm right here.
1,200, 13, 13,
No, I'm not.
I know. but he
13,
was-
what's the
he was
question?
behind
12,
the
13. 13, 12, 13, 13, 12, 13, 12, 13. Oh, I got you now. I see. No, 12, 13. Right there's in. 1,200, 13. Does he want to bid? 13 in the back. 13, 13. Mervin. 13, 13. 12, sold it. 1,200. Brantley, Tucker,
122.
122, 122. Here's Charlie.
All right, let's go right there. Lot number 2525, Oliver. 367 Sickle mower. He's right there in the Deere. $100 bill. Now 100 of water. 100 under Deere. Come on. 25 under Deere. Now 50 under Deere. 50 under Deere. Now took it out there. 125 under Deere. 50 under Deere. 50 under Deere. Now 50 under Deere. 125 under Deere. 50. 150 now 75. 150 under Deere. 200 under Deere. 2 under Deere. 200 under Deere. 2 175 live in the ring. Now 2 200 under Deere. 2 sold at $175 live in the ring on number 306. Sell to Oliver Chisel Plow. Lot number 2526. He's right there. How many down here? 250 to the 3. 300 here. Now, Mark, what do you say? 300 under here, nigga 3. 300 under here, nigga 250 to the 3. 300 here, nigga 3. 300 to the 300 under here, nigga 250 to the 3. 250, somebody give me 275 in. 250 to the deer, now 275 to the 3. 333 to the 300 under here, nigga 333 to the 3 to the deer, nigga 275 to the 3. 275 to the 3. Going on here, nigga 300 and 325. 300 here, nigga 325 Mark. 325 to the deer, nigga 3 now 325 to the deer, nigga 325. Sold at $300 right there on the mower number 25 to the 30. 30 deer, nigga 30 to the 30 to the deer, nigga 30 30 30 to the 25 to the 10 10 5 10. If I had a 10 to the deer, nigga 10 10 10 to the 10 to the deer, nigga $10. Anybody listed? $510. If I had a 10 to the deer, nigga 10 10 10 to the 10 to the deer, how about $6? 5 6 to the deer, to the deer, now 7 now 8. 8 down here, down 9 to the bear, down 10, down 10, 10 down here, 12 and a half, 15, 15 down 50 to the deer, 17, 50 down here, 20 down 10, 52, 50 to the deer, 2, 50, 20 to the deer, 10, 52, 50 to the deer, 2, 50, want to do it here, 5, 25 to the deer, 30, 30 down 30, what do you say, 30? Now 5, 35 to the deer, now 5, sold it up there, $30 on bar number 101, thank you.
Hey, you got a little flail chopper here, I think.
Oliver in it.
Yep.
Oliver, little flail chopper, right there, $1 bill, down $2. You want it, $2, $1, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2, Sold at $2 a week. 30 bond right there. Sold it.
Is the 1755 that we're going to sell after we sell the 1755. You betcha. All right, guys, you talk about a nice little 72 model 1555 Oliver right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it's got about 167 hours on a complete overhaul. Got the good Titan 13.638 tires on the spin-out rims now. The canopy, guys, got the top link, got it all. Somebody sent me about 25,000 on it right here. The Welsh Meyer sale. What would I give here?
Hey, let's go!
You're not going to be able to get $5,7,500.